This is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Oil & Company. Today, we've got your back with this bed slide unit on this 2021 F-150. Let's check it out. Imagine your kitchen without drawers. What a mess that would be. Now imagine a giant drawer in the bed of your truck. No more crawling around to get your tools, gear, or other supplies. Save your back and your knees with the BEDSLIDE unit. Get all of your bed brought to you on the 1000 BEDSLIDE. Simply grab the handle, pull it, and the BEDSLIDE will roll all of your stuff out to you. This fits any 65-inch bed, and they also come available for full-size trucks, plus it includes a full perimeter guardrail kit. This thing is great. It turns the bed of your truck into a giant half-ton capacity drawer. It allows you to reach anything safely from the side of your tailgate instead of the pain of climbing on the wheel and reaching over the side of your truck. It has multiple locking positions for safety and convenience, and bed track T-slots to attach optional storage bins to get the absolute most out of your bed slide. This bed slide is made in the USA with 100% weather-resistant heavy-duty material, and its weather deck material is durable in all elements, so you know it's built to last. This model holds up to 1,000 pounds. BEDSLIDE also has a 1,500 and 2,000 pound model available, and they're backed by a lifetime warranty when registered. Thanks for watching today as we spotlighted the BEDSLIDE 1000 series on this 2021 F-150. Hey guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget that we are giving away a big prize after we hit 1K subscribers. So go ahead and comment below and you could have a chance to win. Remember to tune in every week for more truck-related products like this. See y'all next week. 5 moms on the wheel and reaching over the side of your bed, truck bed. Climbing all the way over the wheel to reach, it's